Hello Autodesk people, and welcome once again to the continuation of our video series here. This is a series on Fabrication CADmep 2017. What we've been doing so far is exploring some of the fundamental features of Fabrication CADmep 2017, and the next topic here that we're going to cover in this video is how do we add insulation, right? How do we add insulation to the piping or the fittings, and can it be done as part of the fitting attributes? And once the insulation has been added, can it be removed or turned off easily? So let's take a look at how we can do this. As far as what we're looking at here, this is a spool sheet that's been prepared for this particular project. So what we want to do is let's go take a look at how we can add insulation. So if I click on this guy, just activate it and double click on it, we can take a look at the options on here. Let's go look at the options. And insulate to nodes, let's change that to yes, or both. And let's go look at items. The insulation specification, let's set that on to general insulation. So easily you can just turn that on a piece at a time if you need to. There's other ways to do this that might make more sense here. So if I double click on this guy, let's just let's see how we can manage that. Insulation specification, set that to general, and then hit OK. That's just piece by piece. I'm not a really big fan of that because there can be a lot of fittings. So I'll show you an easier way to do that. Of course, we can do it that way, but it's easier if we do it the other way I'm about to show you here. So let's double click on this guy, turn that back off. Let's turn it to not set, and let's turn this one to not set. Oh, does it have to be off? What did I put here? Off? Oh, okay. I thought I had it to not set, but I guess it's supposed to be off. Okay. All right. Here's the other method. If you activate the model space, you'll be able to get to what's referred to as the design line. Now, the design line, we talked about that in a previous video here. But the design line, really, if I just double click on this guy, I'll get that to activate. And now that the design line is active, I can go look at the process chilled water supply service. Now the insulation specification for this is currently set to not set. So if I change it to pipework general insulation, what's going to happen is now everything I draw on a design line is going to have that 3D insulation shown for me, right? So however, everything that's already in place does not have insulation. However, if I activate the design line, so now that it's active, I can go tell it, fill in the three-dimensional information, and just like that, it filled in all of the insulation for every single pipe and fitting along that run. So there's a couple of methods on how to handle that. And again, you just want to look at the piping service, right, and the insulation specification. It had previously been on to not set, but I was able to turn that off now. And when I fill in the 3D information, of course, you see that it gets turned off. So that's how we do that.